So this is the Acer C720P Chromebook. I was having issues where the HDMI display was not working, and I just want to give you something to try if it doesn't work for you. Um, Unplug the battery first, and then I unplugged these capacitors. I'm not sure exactly what they do. There's two here and one here. I'm not sure what they're for. And then this part is the display connector. You peel back the tape that it had, and then you could slide it out. Slide the connector out. Make sure it's not plugged into. Slide the connector out and then slide it back in. All right, got it back in, and then push the tape back down, and then you could go ahead and plug everything back in, and hopefully that fixes your issue. After trying the other things that I saw on YouTube before this, I plugged in an external display, and I did see the extended screen, and then I plugged in a keyboard and pressed Control P to mirror the screens, so I was able to log in, but I still was not able to get the display working. So that's what made me decide to check this connector, and after I did, it worked. I didn't see any other videos showing this, so that's it. Let me plug it back in and turn it on so you can see it's working. There it is at the login screen. Did the battery die? There it is. And at the login screen.